Hello traders, how are you? Vladimir here from Home Trader Club, and in this video I want to share with you my analysis on the pound dollar, and there are two amazing scenarios that could trigger and deliver big time. So let's begin. Before we start, big thanks and thumbs up to 8K Broker, and to enjoy all the offers, special offers we have for the community, including 1 full year access to the club and private mentoring sessions, please refer to the link below this video in the description. So I want to start with the higher time frame, not because I plan to trade it for many years, I'm not, but take a look what happens here with the pound dollar. It builds up a beautiful, phenomenal cycle, which if completed and the buyers are ready to take the control, we should be able to see here some corrective structure building up for the long term, which in the long term means buy that dips. Okay, keep that in mind because it could connect fantastically to what we will about to see on the lower time frame. And here is the weekly chart. On a weekly chart, remember, if the monthly is about to make the corrective structure, that means the weekly should build, I'll put that red as a monthly. That means that the weekly should build the waves accordingly. And here on the weekly, we are building a potential zigzag, which means two higher highs, higher lows with either A, B, C, D and continuation, or some sort of a range and continuation. That's option number one. And option number two is that the first monthly leg is not yet over, it's yet to be completed, and then we'll produce something like that before pullback and then continuation. Keep in mind these both ideas, and let's go down and start breaking down the opportunities. If the first view is correct, and that's what the market should do, either ABCD or a range, but one more leg down and then rallies, then we need to see here from here to here, right, or lower of course, some waving that provide the opportunity for the sell. So let's go and break it down and see what do we have here. On the daily chart, we did have the three higher highs, higher lows with a bearish divergence, which fits perfectly to a corrective structure by itself, which means basically we could expect to see ABCD correction. Everything lines up perfectly. Now if we drop to the 4-hour chart in terms of waves, we can see that we did have a beautiful zigzag, right? Two waves down, two waves up, which managed to break and so far hold. So here is what I want to see, and again we have the Federal Reserve rates, the rates in US, then we have the rates in UK. It could affect everything about it and also provide the moves that we are looking to enjoy from here. And that's what I want to see. So what I want to see is basically the price managed to take a look on this volume profile balance zone. Right now the price is there. Buyers and sellers are trying to figure out what's next. So we have to be very patient here and see how it actually acts. So this is the key low. If we manage to see the price going and making a break and holding below this area, then sell the rallies indeed on a short term is a great opportunity, or should be a great opportunity. All that would be as long as the last high will be actually holding. Okay, and now I want to talk about the second option, because according to the second option, if the weekly cycle is yet to complete, then we need to see something like that, which means one more high to be created, okay, which also fits perfectly because after three waves and a bearish divergence on a daily chart, we have either ABCD or a range and then continuation. Both scenarios are absolutely great. And if we drop to the 4-hour chart to figure out, so do we have a range? The answer is of course yes, and it is fantastic. One fake high, another fake high here, break below this low which is holding, another one. So far it is acting perfectly as a range with pretty equal distances between the waves, so it is absolutely great opportunity as well. And if we manage to see the price climbing above this volume profile balance zone and holding above the range and the area, buy the dips becomes the plan then. Okay, so what we will want to see in that case, let's bring back the range. Okay, we want the price to actually make the high, right, and then buy the pullbacks should become the plan, as long as the most recent low will be holding and acting as a validation. Keep in mind that during the news and weeks, sometimes the technical waves are sort of fake and provide fake traps. That could happen, and that's why it's very important to identify important levels of validations and invalidations. What triggers the valid plan and what triggers the invalidation when a plan becomes invalid. Okay, it's very important when you are about to enter your trade and value and estimate your risk management accordingly. Okay, so this is my plan for both scenarios on the pound dollar. What do you think will happen after the Federal Reserve and after the rates in UK? Which direction will the pound dollar move? Let me know in the comment section below this video. And meanwhile, thanks for your time watching this video. I hope you find value in this one. I want to invite you to our family, the Home Trader Club, and to enjoy from your access, full access to our comprehensive trading courses, real-time trading opportunities, real-time trading education, community, tools, and so much more. Join our family with the link below this video in the description. So thanks again for your time. Best to you and yours. I'll see you soon with more. Good trading. Bye for now.